Hello friends, today let's crochet the first row of our granny square. My yarn is acrylic medium. Make 4 loops on your finger and insert your hook. We are going to use it as our magic circle. Crochet a chain 3 stitches. We will now crochet 3 more double crochet stitches after the chain. Once you're done, you'll have 4 stitches on your magic circle. Pull them together and then crochet a chain 3 stitches. After the chain, crochet 4 double crochet stitches. Our 4 stitches are done. Crochet a chain 3 stitches just like before. After that, crochet 4 double crochet stitches just like we did before. Our 4 stitches are done. Crochet a chain 3 stitches and just like before, crochet another 4 double crochet stitches on the magic circle. Our 4 stitches are done. Crochet a chain 3 stitches. Now we are going to end that row with a slip stitch. And there we have our first row of our granny square. From here you can continue if you want to. I have a previous video on this channel on how to continue from here. For me, this is where I'm going to end my project, and thank you so much guys for watching this tutorial. Until next time when we have another one, please subscribe and bye bye.